Hello, this is Up. It has already been over 7 years since I set up my own studio, and it's been about 9 years since I first studied leathercraft. Depending on how you look at it, that might seem like a long time or a short time. Even though I work with leather every day without rest, there are times when I go through a slump. When that happens, instead of overthinking things, I try to focus on making simple accessories. Of course, making something after a long period of trial and error is great, but sometimes making something simple can help refresh the mood. So this time I made a business card wallet. A business card wallet is similar to a card holder, but since it usually needs to hold thicker stacks of business cards, that's something to consider when designing it. Also, because some business cards are wider than standard credit cards, it's a good idea to leave more extra space for them. For the outer leather, I used 1.3mm cowhide with a pressed texture. For the lining, I used smooth cowhide. Some people make small leather goods like this with a single piece of leather, but I choose this method for better contrast, quality, and usability. For the stitching, I used linen thread, which isn't commonly used by mass market brands, and I finished the edges with edge cut. Although the design is simple, a lot of thought went into the storage, overall design, and color combination. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. A huge thanks to everyone who supports my channel through membership. Thank you.